Hello traders, this is Dr. Zain Agha from zwinner.com. Today I'm going to give you a very versatile Forex trading system. Actually it was made for the 1 minute time frame, but you can use it on any time frame you like, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily. It's a very versatile trading system and very profitable too. So let's set up the charts now. Now this is the Euro USD 1 minute time frame, 1 minute chart. Now let's put in the indicators. The first indicator we need is the vertical line. So because my broker is 2 hours ahead, I have to write the London Open as 10 o'clock instead of 8. The London market opens at 8 a.m. but since the broker is 2 hours ahead, so I have to put in 10 o'clock and then I click OK. So this is the London Open. Now, the other indicator I'm going to put in is the Z-Winner trend indicator. Now this indicator tells you where is the trend. Is the market going up or is the market going down? So you click this OK. Now here you see the red dots are the market is in a downtrend, then green dot the market goes in uptrend, then downtrend, then uptrend and downtrend and so on. So this is also a very good indicator. The next indicator I'm going to put in is the Z support and resistance. Now this is the support and resistance indicator. Don't do anything, don't touch anything, just click OK. Now the yellow dots are the resistance level and the white dots are the support level. Yellow dots, the support level starts with a red dot and thereafter they are all yellow dots. The support level starts with the green dot and thereafter they're all white dots. Now this is also a pair of scissors is also part of the support and resistance. When the pair of scissors is on top, that means it is the resistance level. And when you find it at the bottom, this is the resistance level. There it is at the bottom. This is the support level. So what I do normally when I see that, I will put a line on it to show me that this is a support or resistance. I'm going to change the color of the line to yellow because the red color is not visible on the black background, but the yellow one is. Okay, so let's go back and have a look where you have the London Open. Now this is the London Open on the 21st of April. That was yesterday, 21st of April. Okay, the next indicator we're going to put in is the Z Winner Alert. This is going to provide you with the arrows and the setting is 3 and 5. Okay, the fast moving average is 3 and the slow moving average is 5. And click here and now try to make them a bit bigger. So I will make it like 2 as so you can easily see it. There it is. That's the arrow going up, that's the arrow going down. It's telling you go up and go down and so on. Okay, now that's all. 1, 2, 3 indicators. Now I am going to put in one more indicator, one more vertical line. Now this vertical line is going to be, it will show you the US Open. The US market opens at 8 a.m. Eastern time, which is 13 UK time. So but the broker's time is 2 hours ahead, so I'm going to make it 15, and I'm going to change the color to aqua. Okay, and then say okay here. Now let's see, where is it? Okay, let's go back. Okay, so this is the US Open at 13 hours London time. That's about 8 o'clock New York time, Eastern time. And so this is how you set up the chart. Now let's start trading. So let's go to the London Open first. This is the London Open. Okay. Now this is on the 21st of April, that is yesterday. And so when the London market opens, we get a down arrow telling us to sell, but we don't have any support or resistance here. To enter the market, we must have either a resistance if you are going to sell, or we must have support if we are going to buy. And also the trend indicator should be in the same direction. So there is no resistance here, and then we get the support here. So I'm going to put a line on the support level, and if I put a line here, this is telling me to sell, but we don't sell at the support, we always buy, and we don't buy at the resistance, we only sell. So we wait for the next candle. This is the next candle. Then we have another candle, a long candle, and it is giving you a buy signal here. And let's see. So we will enter the buy at the open of the new candle here, and we will place our stop loss about this is the most recent low, a few pips below the most recent low up here. Okay, so this will be our entry. We buy here, and we are risking about 6 pips only. So we buy here, and now this is our stop loss. Now we're going to take the exit. How are we going to take the exit? We will wait until we get the next resistance. So the very first dot of the resistance is here, the red dot. So we will close our trade here at the open of the next candle. So that means we make a profit of only about 0.9 of a pip. So anyway, now let's go and have a look at the second trade. The second trade, we get the signal here. I will bring a line here on this arrow. So whenever you get an arrow, put a line there. Okay, I'm going to change the color of this to yellow, and we'll go below and look here. We have the trend is down, and we're getting the signal below the candle is below the resistance level, so we sell here. We sell at the open of the next candle, which is this green candle, and we place our stop loss up here, a few pips above the most recent high. This is the high. So we are risking about only about 5 pips, 4.9 pips, 5 pips. And now we wait for our exit signal, which we get at the first dot of the support level here. So we will exit here. Okay, and our entry was here, so our profit is about 17 pips. So this is our profit. The next signal we get the support line, but we do not have an arrow. We get the arrow here. We put a line here, arrow, and we buy at the open of this candle. We buy at the open of the next candle here, this one. And we place our stop loss a few pips below the most recent low here. And then we continue until we can see the exit signal, which is the next, which is this pair of scissors. It's telling you to get out. So your profit is about 17 pips again, right? So this is how you trade the 1 minute chart. Now let's have a look at the other charts, 5 minutes chart. Let's change the chart to 5 minutes. Here we are, and this is the US market opens. We go back to London market. This is the London market opens, 10 a.m. this one. Let's get rid of all the other lines. Okay, the market opens here, and you get the first arrow. This arrow is of no use to us because it's going up, the trend is down. Now you get an arrow here to sell. You look below, the trend is down. Yes, you will sell here at the open of this new candle. So I will open this new candle here. I will place a buy order here, and I will place a stop loss a few pips above the most recent high. The high has to be above the resistance level, not here. So this is our entry, and we wait for the signal. We get the very first dot of the support level here. So we exit at the close of this candle at the open of the next one. So we make a profit of about 13 pips. So this is on the 5 minute time frame. We got the support level, and then we bring our line here on the support level and the arrow. So we buy here. We look below, the trend is up. So we bring our entry here at the open of this new candle, and we place our stop loss below the low, most recent low here. You know, in this system it's very rare to get stopped out. Okay, so you have entered here, and you are waiting for the next exit signal, which you get here under this pair of scissors. So you bring it here, the pair of scissors, you get it here at the low of the candle. So you got out here, and your profit was 12 pips. And then you're waiting for the next signal. Now the New York market opens, the US session opens, and we're looking for the support level. Yes, we got the support level here, and then we get an arrow here. So we bring a line on top of this arrow and look below, the trend is up, and the arrow. So we are going to buy at the open of this next candle, which is this green candle, and we are going to let's get rid of the rubbish. So we're going to buy at the open of this candle, and we're going to put our stop loss a few pips below the most recent low, this candle, and we are going to wait for our exit signal where we get the resistance level here. So we will exit here. Okay, at the close of this candle, open of the next one, and our profit is 36 pips. right? So this was the 5 minutes time frame. Now let's go to 15 minutes. Let's change the chart to 15 minutes. Go back here to London Open. Let's go to another day. This is the London Open. Market opens here at 10 a.m. and this is the New York Open. So London Open, we don't get any signal. There was a signal here much before the London Open, but that's too stale, too old. We need a fresh one. So just before the US Open, we get support level here and an arrow here. So we bring a line here and look below. Yes, the trend is up, and we are going to take our entry here at the open of this new candle, this green one, and we are going to place a stop loss a few pips below the most recent low, and then we will wait for our exit signal. The exit signal we get at the first dot of the resistance level, which will be here at the close of the candle and open of the new candle. So we exit here and we make a profit of 54 pips. This is on the 15 minutes time frame. Now we get our next signal here. You get the resistance level, you get the arrow here. So let's put a line, go below. Yes, the trend is down. It is telling us to sell. We will sell at the open of the new candle, this one, this red candle, and we will put our stop loss few pips above the most recent high. You see, so far in this system, you seldom get stopped out. It's a very, very versatile and a very, very good system, and you should adopt it at any time frame that you like. Okay, let's continue. So this is our entry, and this will be our exit. You see the first dot of the support level, so you put a line here and you exit here. Okay, at the close of this candle, open of the new one, so you make a profit of about 29 pips, right? So this is how you trade the 15 minutes. Okay, let's go to 1 hour. This is the 1 hour. Okay, let's get rid of all the lines we have here. Let's get rid of all the lines. So this is the London Open. There is no signal here, and there is no signal. There is no signal. You got the resistance here. This is the pair of scissors, tells you that this is the resistance. Okay, now once you get the pair of scissors, this is the resistance. The very first arrow you get is here, this one. So let's bring this line here on the arrow. Look below. Yes, the trend is down, so you enter the market at the open of the next candle here, and you put your stop loss at the high of the most recent. This is the high, so you will put a few pips above this, and then you will wait for the exit signal. Your exit signal is the first dot of the support level, so this is going to be your exit here. So your profit is 29 pips. Now this is the 1 hour candle, and let's go back because today the market opened, but still we didn't get any exit signal yet. So let's go back a bit, a few days back. Let's come here. Yeah, okay. Now this is the US session on the 24th of March. So you get the first support level here, then you get the arrow, and then on the arrow you bring a line here on top of the arrow, look below, yes, the trend is up, and you open a trade at the open of the next candle, which is this red candle, and you place your stop loss a few pips below the most recent low. So this is the most recent low. Place your stop loss here, and then you wait for the exit signal, and you get the exit signal. Yes, the market is still going up and up and up, and you get the first red dot of the resistance here on this candle. Okay, so you get out here, and then let's have a look what profit you made. You made a profit of $299 pips, nearly 300 pips. You make a profit of 300 pips. This is on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, let's have a look again at the profit. 299, yeah, 299 pips profit. Okay, let's go further. Then you get another signal here. There is your arrow, so you go below, sorry, you enter the market here, the arrow, yes, the market is trending down, you get the arrow here, enter the market on the open of this new candle here, and then you're waiting for your exit signal. That's where you get it here when you have the pair of scissors. So at the close of the candle here, this is your exit, and then you measure what you get. You get 123 pips profit. Okay, so this was on the 1 hour time frame. Now let's change it to 4 hours. Let's see what you get in the 4 hours. Okay, this is the 4 hour time frame. And in the 4 hour, you don't need the London Open or the US Open, just forget that. Okay, you can take the trade as and when you see the signal. So here you have the first signal. As you know, this pair of scissors is the, if it's at the bottom, is support, and on top is resistance. So here you get it, and you get the arrow here, and you look below, yes, the trend is up, and then you go up here and enter the market, buy at the open of this new candle, and then you wait for the signal to get out. You get the very first red dot of the resistance level, so you get down here, and your profit is 71 pips. Next you get the arrow here, a down arrow, and there is a resistance here. When the down arrow here, look below, yes, the trend is down, so you enter short at the open of this candle, the new candle, and you place your stop loss a few pips above the most recent high here, and then you continue until you can find your exit signal, which is you get it here. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Okay, so this is your entry, and this is your exit. You see the very first dot of this green dot you can see here. Here you can see the green dot. See this one? So you exit here. That was your entry. This is your exit. So what's your profit? Your profit is 268 pips. This is the 4-hour time frame. The next signal you get on the 4-hour time frame is this one. This arrow, trend is up. So you bring your entry at the open of this candle, which is the red candle, and you place your stop loss below, a few pips below the most recent low, which is this one, and you look for the exit signal. So you get the exit signal here, the very first dot of the resistance, and you go here and then check. This is your exit. Now you check your profit. This is your profit, is 624 pips. This is the profit you make. Okay, so this was on the 4-hour time frame. Let's go on the daily time frame. This is the daily. This is the daily chart. Now on the daily, you get the support level here, and you get your first arrow here, and the trend is up. So you buy at the open of this new candle, which is this candle, and then you wait for your signal, exit signal. You get your first dot of the resistance on this candle. So we place a line here at the close of this candle. So this is your exit. So you take your profit. Your profit is going to be 427 pips. Okay, and the next, you get the signal here on this arrow here. So you sell here at the open of this new candle, this one, and you place your stop loss a few pips above this candle. Sorry. Okay, and your exit signal is here when you get the pair of scissors here. So this is your exit. So your profit is, the profit is 464 pips. So this is how strong and how versatile this system is. You don't need any other system. It's worth thousands of pounds, but I am giving it to you for free. Enjoy it and have fun and make a good life and make a good living. All the best. Please do subscribe to my channel, because from time to time I'm going to bring in some more trading systems for you. Okay, take care and bye-bye.